My name is Reese Davis. I'm the project superintendent for Harper Brothers Construction. The project's name is Surface Water Supply Project for West Harris County Regional Water Authority and North Fort Bend Regional Water Authority. Been here about 6 months when we started laying open cut pipe. We've laid roughly 2,500 feet. We're currently installing Northwest Pipe's InfraShield pipe for seismic areas. There's 2 fault zones throughout this segment of the project, Brittmore Fault and the West Little York Fault, that requires the InfraShield pipe for the seismic movement. The pipe is installed similar to any kind of steel waterline pipe with the exception of the double weld. This pipe is required to be welded inside and outside, but other than that, it's the same process of installing. On this project, there's 19 total tunnels. 3 of them require the InfraShield pipe. With the double weld, it's installed using pipe jacking rather than installing joint piece by piece. So it's installed in a single run rather than normally how we do it. So we're currently on schedule to complete this project.